been 4 years na rin since the last time we did a movie together. So we make sure na sulit ang paghihintay ng lahat. Maraming kaabang-abang na eksena and lots of kilig and funny moments. Let's take a look at one of our shooting days.
Sa set ng aming pelikula, yung part 3 with John Lloyd. Ilang days na lang, malapit na kami matapos. Sana po abangan nyo, It Takes a Man and a Woman. And kasama ko pong Popsters ngayon. Nandito sila para batiin ako for my 10th anniversary in show business. So thank you, Popsters. Salamat! Marge. So, syempre sa flippage, syempre dahil nandun yung mga moments nila, walang katapusang usisera, gano'n. Syempre, obviously. Actually, even before ko siya makatrabaho, fan niya na ako eh. As in, pinagtatanggol ko talaga yan. Makasara talaga ako. Popstar nga ako. Kaya sobrang Tapos ngayon, na nakatrabaho ko siya for the first time, lalo ko lang na-validate, na-confirm na ang bait-bait niya, down to earth, tsaka nasa starstruck pa rin ako. Ako po si Isabel Laurel. I am John Lloyd's college sweetheart na nagbalik. It feels great. I'm very excited kasi napakatagal naming pinaghirapan tong movie na to, and I'm very honored to be a part of it. Na-pressure ako kasi gagaling nila, diba? So, kailangan di pwedeng hindi ready. Nag-start kami parang mag-shoot ng March to April. Tapos, kailangan i-pull out si Lloydie for The Mistress. Kaya nag-stop kami. Tapos nag-resume na kami ng November yata. November 2012. Tapos, Feb ang original na na play date. Tapos na-move ng March. Yun. Lang naman namin you're happy to go to work. That's the best thing for us. Kasi alam naman natin yung natin yung length of time that we work. So at least when you're with people that you like and you know that everybody's working for the betterment of the film at wala kayong negative energy na natatanggap, that's the best.
Difficulty, parang na maging mature sila, hindi naging evident kasi Sarah and John Lloyd really matured personally. I mean, off-cam. Bilang 5 taon naman na talaga yung nagdaan before gawin tong part 3, kahit sila sa sarili nilang buhay, nag-mature na rin. Even Sarah, ang laki ng maturity na nakita ko kay Sarah. Malaki ang, kumbaga, pangit yung salita, itinanda. Pero she's different now. She's not the Lyda that is the pa-cutesy-cutesy lang in 1 and 2. She's really grown and beautifully, no? She's very beautiful now. Parang from a girl, she's now a lady. And pati sa performance, from kikay-kikay, pa-cutesy girl lang to a more matured actress now.